Dedo Mikol was outside, standing only a few feet away from an abandoned building he's about to explore, when all of a sudden he sees this.
뭐야? 누구세요? 누구? 어? 저기요. 저, 뭐야? 어디로 사라지는 거야? 잠깐만. 혹시 누구 계십니까?
Although it was scary enough for others to turn around and call it a night, this guy proceeds to enter through the window. But before he was able to explore inside the building, he saw this.
돌리지 마. 와, 씨, 뭐 어떻게 가는 할 수도 있지.
Could this be the same entity he saw earlier, or was it something else? Jimmy is an urban explorer, and on his Facebook page he has a couple of videos of the places he already went to. But this one particular video caught the attention of some viewers. In it, Jimmy entered what looks to be an abandoned house, and everything appeared to be normal at first until something unexpected happened. Watch very closely or you'll miss it. Here's Jimmy entering the home and seeing a stuffed animal placed on a chair. Now here's Jimmy leaving the house, but this time that exact same doll from earlier is now sitting upright, like it's watching Jimmy. Disney should cast this doll for Toy Story 6. A group of paranormal experts, known as paranormies, visited an abandoned barn house that was said to be abandoned. Two of the experts set up a table to perform a type of science known as table tipping, which is similar to an Ouija board as it's used to communicate with the dead. However, as they were setting up the cameras to record, this happened.
Set up a camera in that corner there, and I want to set up a camera either in this corner or stop.
Dude, what was that?
Where should we go, dude? I want to get out of here for a minute, dude. I don't want to go
Go
back
upstairs,
over
go
there.
upstairs.
Grab that light. Oh man, my heart's beating.
An Ouija board is definitely a better choice. This next one was someone we talked about in our past video where there's someone in his house which Ricardo has no idea as to what it might be. But ever since the following incident that took place inside his home, he can't help but think he is dealing with something otherworldly. One night before sleeping, Ricardo captured this.
Pues ya me acomodé y todo. Ya me quiero dormir, ya tengo sueño. Pero tienen la luz del pasillo prendida y mi mamá está escuchando un video, güey.
There appeared to be a face picking at Ricardo. The face went unnoticed until a viewer of the video pointed it out. But the creepiest incident has to be the next one. While Ricardo was recording his TV when he captured something that goes unnoticed. Outside of his window appears to be someone picking at him. Viewers believe that this might be the same entity that's been haunting him ever since the first incident. Similar to the other paranormal videos, this one still remains a mystery. A garment factory in Japan has been experiencing strange activities at work, and just recently a surveillance camera has captured strange things that has been happening. When the owner saw the footage, he was shocked, but he wasn't surprised because the factory owner himself explained the situation why these things are happening. Take a look.
っていうパートの人がいたんですけど、年に亡くなってます。うちに来て20年ぐらいになるんで、結構ベテランで、他のパートさんからも好かれてるような感じでした。動いてるミシンが、さんが使っていたミシンなんですよね。なんで、他のパートさんの間では、さんが来てしようとしてるつもりなんじゃないかとか。このマネキンも夜に急に動き出したら怖いよねとか、ふざけて服を着せたりもしてましたし、お気に入りでしたね。
The factory owner believes that the entity is Miss Tanaka, which is a former part-timer who worked in the factory for 20 years. The owner believes that she is behind all of these strange occurrences. Well, it's not a bad thing because these occurrences might be the last added to memories of Miss Tanaka. This guy was resting on his rooftop when he saw something that scared the living hell out of him. He wrote, "I just wanted to loiter on my house rooftop because the breeze there is soothing and fresh. But little did I know that someone else would be there with me." This is what he was hanging out with. Shim hopes that this was just a coconut on the tree, but what do you see? Could this be a case of pareidolia, or this is an actual entity? Israel Escalante posted the following message on his Facebook post. He wrote, "Strange noises have been heard in my house, and the toys have been turning on by themselves. Maybe some spirit is playing with my kids' toys." His followers on Facebook found this message unusual since he doesn't post anything but videos and photos of the meat factory he works at. But in the following day, after posting this, he uploaded a video of the strange occurrences he mentioned on his post. His followers were unsettled by what he captured on camera. This is the footage.
Y aquí recientemente es donde los juguetes se han prendido. Aquí. Este es el cuarto de juguetes de los chamacos. Ahí disculpen el tiradero. Pero de repente se escuchan. ¡Qué ole! Eso no es algo preparado, De repente se escuchan así cosillas medio extrañas. Ese pianillo es el que se empezó a prender. Oh, no manches. No te pases de lanza. ¿Quién está aquí? ¿Quién eres? ¿Quién eres? Oh, te pases de lanza. Se está moviendo ese caballo, hijo. Se está moviendo el caco. Se está moviendo el caco, pa. ¿Sí vieron que se movió el caco? ¿Quién eres? Se está moviendo ese caco, hijo. No manches, pa. ¿Eh? ¿Dónde estás? Date para acá que me da miedo. ¿Eh? Ya no se movió. Pero no es el aire ni nada, muchachos, porque acá esta pobre ventana de aquí está cerrada. Entonces, pues no creo que sea nada del aire. Mira, se está moviendo. No manches tú. ¿Quién eres? ¿Eh? ¿Quién eres? No, vente.
A toy really did turn on by itself and a rocking horse began to move on its own. He then made a follow-up video explaining what happened.
Aquí les puse los juguetes que han sonado. Este caballo es el del video. Esta camionetita también ya sonó. Ese piano también se ve en el video. Y entonces, pues, es por eso que decidimos grabarlo. Y pues ahí está. Ahí está, ya cada quien decide si creer o no. Ahí está la evidencia y pues ya. Con esto nos despedimos.
Israel haven't posted any following video of strange occurrences. Let's wait for his update.